How to see your draft post on Facebook. First of all, make sure that you have installed and updated the latest version of Facebook on your phone. You can do it by going on the Google Play Store, searching for Facebook and install and update it. If you have already done so, then you can normally open Facebook on your phone as you always do. And here you can see there are 3 vertical lines with your profile linked on the right side of your top Facebook page. And when you tap on it, you will see an interface like this. Among these many options, you can see on the third option, there is written saved. When you tap on this option, you will see the most recent and many other options. Just click on see all. By clicking on the see all, you will now see all the videos, photos and the posts that you have saved as draft. So this is how you do it. I hope you like our video. If you liked it, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.